I'm in San Francisco this week, attending Mobile World Congress, where I'm looking at how top brands are using RCS business messaging.
My name is Tony DeRulo from OpenMarket, and I'm here at MWC Americas in San Francisco. And I'd like to show you some exciting new things we're doing in the messaging space with RCS, which is the next evolution of messaging. Here we have a use case which we're really proud of. One of our partners called Reply Buy enables buying and purchasing of tickets for professional sports and other events through SMS. And so we've upgraded the experience to include now RCS and rich media. In this case, customers go online or go on messaging to buy tickets for the Detroit Pistons, which is one of the participating brands. And here the chatbot comes up with best case scenario, best tickets at that moment. So the user really has the option of buying these tickets now or looking at other options. Let's look at other offers. So again, it goes back to the chatbot, comes up with some new choices. And in this case, since I'm a big Detroit Pistons fan, and I love the team, so I'm going to go for the more expensive option, which is closer to the court, which is section 101. So click on section 101, and in an instant you bought the ticket. So congratulations, you purchased with all the detailed information. And what's really cool is you can add to the native calendar, so you get reminders when the game's coming up. You can view the tickets so that you can use this to enter the venue. And here you go. All in a matter of seconds. Now, we've added some really cool buttons, which is what RCS enables us to do. So we have the option of clicking on map to get to the arena, add to calendar. This is something our brands are really excited about, which is also the ability to download the app itself, which a lot of brands have issues and challenges getting people to download their app. So this is a really easy way to do it. And what's really cool is the subscribe button. So the Detroit Pistons with Reply Buy and OpenMarket have offered this idea of really engaging with your customer on a personal level. So by subscribing to the service, they'll get to see more promotions and ticket prices, get promotions on merchandise, get highlights of games after the games. And so the customer gets to press yes to opt in, and as easy as that, they're opted in.